Dear devotees, a powerful earthquake has struck Myanmar, bringing great loss and suffering. Many people, including our ISKCON devotees, have been affected. Our Sri Sri Radha Govinda temple in Mandalay and Goshala in Zayadwadi have also been a bit damaged. This is a difficult time for so many. Let us all pray together for those who are injured, those who have lost loved ones, and those who have lost their homes. May Sri Sri Radha Govinda give them strength and protection. Please keep Myanmar in your prayers and help in any way you can. Every prayer and act of kindness makes a difference. Hare Krishna.